What's going on YouTube? It's Patrick Minton Outdoors. Went to the range today, but that's not what this video is about, and I didn't do any footage because it was just me and some friends just having a good time. Didn't feel like filming today. But what I am going to show you is something I picked up, actually way before Christmas. I did a trade. So you may be asking yourself, what gun's no longer in the locker? Well, the SU-16 is out of here. And what I got in its place is a Glock 23 Gen 3. So let's take a look at it real quick, because this one's been modded a little bit. Does have an extended mag release. I want to get a good shot of that, because if anybody knows what brand mag release that is, it would sure be nice to know. I like it, but I don't love it. So you definitely get a thumb on it. And of course I put the 3% on there because why not? One of the other modifications they made to this gun, so far I'm keeping it polished, is they polished the barrel on this gun. The whole barrel, as you can see. Outside of that, that's the only thing that has been done by them. Now, let's see if I can take this apart behind the camera. Yeah. I had a steel guide rod and spring to it. Of course, you can tell the barrel is polished down in there. I just got through cleaning her up. She wasn't that bad, but I did a complete detail cleaning on it. There's a little nick right there, It's kind of trying to come in on the barrel, but it's nothing that's hurting it. She's great. I haven't had any problems out of her. Of course, two 13-round mags, and of course I've got my Glock 22. But it's a Gen 3. That's the only thing I've seen they've done. I figure since this one's been modded, it does have night sights. It does have Trichicon night sights on it. And they're bright, pretty bright still. I thought since this one's been modded a lot more than any of the others I've got, barrel being polished and the extended mag release, I may get the stainless pins and put in it and go a little further with the mods. Maybe do the chrome on the other controls. We'll see. Might put the Zev mag release in it. At some point, might even put the Apex trigger in it, trigger system. So that's the Glock 23 Gen 3. Like I said, if anybody knows, because I can't seem to find it, knows what brand mag release that is, I would sure like to know. I would sure appreciate that. But anyway, Glock 23 40 Smith & Wesson. She's rocking like a Glock. Alright guys, be prepared.